Shubor nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Education Committee Jong ka Jaïaw District kalapun kutno ka inter school sports meet ka basaw nakbenta ki santali ki school ka balang Presbyterian haka nyotarik yayong Hamadan pokse. Kini ki school ki kinthop ka Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School, Mairung Presbyterian Secondary School, Lum Mausiang Presbyterian LP School, Maulandray Presbyterian LP School, Maulendap Presbyterian LP School. Yakani ka sports meet la play perda da uba Charles Pingrup MLA ka nong Thamai constituency, ringkat ka Jingdon lang, Utaman Basan FJ Mairom, Taman Basan KD Ramset, principal ka school, kinong hikai, kikmi kikpa, bat ki basyak khot sngobha. Haba jingkran shi kikna school MLA ula aimin siyam kikna school ba ki deban don ka wei ka thong, bat ka wei ka jingtmu ha ka jing em jongki, bakin la ban ya chaprang ban poi shi ka jingjom. Lapan pu pen piang yang kini sengi nak march pass hak bakini berok santali ki school kila shimbenta ringkat ke jingtam bat ki drill balale di Shipai Jong ke 58 GTC marching band.
Approaching the salutation stand, Corridor Marbo, Piban Saroy Karwar, the flag bearer, and Nisa Corridor Dorling, placard bearer. Precious Stone Karbutna, the flag bearer, Iban Aisuk Maulen, placard bearer, Daywan Sa Maulong.
The Education Committee of the Jaïaw District has contributed significantly in academics, public service, entrepreneurship, sports, and the society at large. The values of discipline, integrity, and perseverance taught have helped students grow into responsible individuals and contribute meaningful to society. When we were young, we dreamt freely. We dreamt of becoming leaders, doctors, engineers, artists, sportspersons, or entrepreneurs. We dream of making our parents proud. We dream of building a meaningful life. But as we grow older, challenges come, and sometimes we may even fail. And that is why days like today are very important. Because sports teach us something life will constantly remind us of. You may fall, you may lose, but you must rise again. Victory is not always about coming first. Victory is about discipline. It is about teamwork. It is about resilience. It is about giving your best even when things do not go your way. As your representative, I want you to know this, that your dreams matter. The world is changing rapidly and you are growing up in a time full of possibilities. But opportunities must need preparation. So prepare yourselves, study sincerely, train seriously, and build character. Respect your teachers. Let it be about medals and trophies. Let it be about courage. Let it be about friendship. And let it be about discovering the strength within you.
The Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School, a bit further, the Maulan Ray Presbyterian LP School, and furthermore, the Myron Plain Presbyterian LP School, the Maulan Dep Presbyterian LP School, and the Lum Mausiang Presbyterian LP School. All schools under the Education Committee of the Jaïaw district. We welcome each and every one of you to this 4th inter-school meet.